Okay, so I'm gonna explain the valid paths question. So a lot of people are having difficulty in understanding this question. So I've actually tried one approach that I think is right, but I don't know why it's not working. So let me start up with this question, this itself. So how come this is 13? I don't know if many people would have understood this. So I'll start with this only, 1, 2, 3. So there's a node. Let's say it's one. There's another node from 1 to 2. There it is 2. And there's a node from 3 to 1. That is, let's say, here's a node 3, the 3, and there's a link from 3 to 1. And there's also a node from 2 to 4. Let's say there's a node from 2 to 4. This is 4. Good. So what we have to do is we have to calculate all the valid paths from these. Okay. So valid path can be 1, valid path can be 2, valid path can be 3, and valid path can be 4. So these are like the single valid paths. The other one can be 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and 1 to 4. This is all two length valid paths from 1. Another one can be from 1, let's say 2 to 1, then 2 to 3, then 2 to 4. So what I think is like the approach that I have that I have actually come up with is like, let's say I'm actually calling DFS for any one of these nodes, and let's say I'm calling it for 1 from 1 to 4. Let's say I call it for 1, then it's going to calculate how many valid paths are from its descendants. So let's say it calls for 2, then this calls for 3, this calls for 4, its descendants are this 4. So right now my it's called for its element, which is empty, so it returns a value. So it returns itself as a node that I have 1, and I'll return it 1 here. So I'm returning it 1 here. So now 2 says that okay, my descendants has 1, so I can actually double that up. So let's say my descendant has said that I can actually make only 4. Then I can say that okay, you can make 4, I can make 2 using your 4 itself. So one I can make is 2 comma 4. I can actually double your paths. So one was saying that I was having only one path that was 4. I can say that okay, you were having only 4. Now I can make it 2 4, and now you have 4 as well. 2 4 comma 4, and 1 is mine itself that I can make is 2. So I can make is 3. So I'll say that okay, I can make 3, which is 2 times this, which is 2 times the path that is given to me, plus 1. Plus 1 is because I am itself is making one path, that is my single path, that is 2 equals to 2, which is explained here, u equals to v. See, possibly u equals to v. So this is what 2 equals to 2 means. Okay, so just give me a second. Okay. So this is 2 into 1. So now this is saying that okay, I can make 3 paths. I'm having 3 paths from myself. Okay, he's saying that I am having 3 paths. I can just make my screen large. Just give me a second. Yeah. So it returns the value 3. It says that okay, I can make 3 paths. Then it says that okay, you can make 3 paths. It says that okay, I can make 3 paths. It returns this value 3. So he says that okay, I can make 3 paths. Then he says that okay, if you can make 3 paths, I can double that up. How can I double that up? Let's say if he was having like, let's say 2. I'm so sorry. Let's say if he was saying that okay, I can make 2, I can make 4, I can make 2 4. These were the paths that 2 can make. 2 comma 4. Okay, he can make 2, he can make 4, and he can also make 2 comma 4. Okay, so he says I can double that up. How can you double that up? Okay, he was making about 2 4 2 4, and I can make 1 comma 2, I can make 1 comma 4, and I can make 1 comma 2 comma 4. See, it has doubled up. So you can make 1 comma 2, 1 comma 4, and 1 comma 2 comma 4. So which is nothing but he was making 3 multiply by 2, which gives him the value 6. So he says that okay, I can make 6. And it says that 6 is using these two elements, its descendants, and 1 plus 1, because 1 itself is like 1 equals to 1. I can also make 1. 1 is a valid path, that is 0 to 1. That is 1 to 1. So he says that okay, I can make 7, which is 2 into this plus 1, which is 7. He he forwarded to this node and he says that okay, you are giving me 7, I can double that up plus 1, which is 2 into 7 plus 1, which is 15. So he says that okay, I can make 15, and he returns the output as 15. So that's how the output comes. But there's also one scenario. I'll explain that up right now only. Just- Okay. So let's say I have a value here, and I have another node here, and I have another node here. Cool. Let's say I have 1 here, I have 2 here, and I have 3 here. So it says that okay, I can make 1. He says okay, you can make 1. I can double that up. I can make it 2. He says I can make 1. He says okay, you can make 1. I can double that up. I can make it 2. He says I can make 2 from here, 2 from here. I'll add it up. Add it up. 2 plus 2 is 4. I can make 5 elements. 2 plus 2 is 4. I'm so sorry. 2 plus 2 is I can make 4 plus my value itself, which is 1. He says that I can make 5. But is 5 the correct answer? No, it's not the correct answer. Let's see how. So I can make 1, I can make 2, I can make 3, I can make 1 2, I can make 1 3. This is what this 5 means. But I can also make 2 3 from this part, 2 to 3. This is the simple part, 2 1 3. 2 1 3 is having 2 3 in it. And I can also make 1 2 3. So we should say that I cannot only make 5, but I can also make 5 plus 2. Which is not the, this is what the solution that I thought of. So I'm not going to add this to here. So I'm going to say that okay, I can make 5 only. So this node contains the value 5 itself. So let's have an array. So I have an array of 3 elements, 1 2 3. So 3 elements, 1 2 and 3. In here I'm gonna say okay, I can make 5. In here I'm gonna say I can make 1. In here I can say I'm gonna make 1. So 3 is gonna return 1. This is for 3. This is for 2. This is for 1. For 1 I'm gonna say that okay, I can make 5. 5 is nothing but 2 into 2. This is returning 1. Double that up is 2. This is returning 1. This is returning 1. Double that up to 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus my 1 itself. So I can make 5 elements. I think it's getting a bit messy here. Okay, so I'll just remove this I'll just remove everything and I'll explain it once more. Okay, so, so this was 1, this was 2, and this was 3. This was 3. So I'm gonna have an array of size 3, 1, 2, and 3. This is gonna return 1, so I'm gonna say okay, I'm returning 1. I'm gonna push this value 1 here. This is gonna say that okay, I'm also gonna return 1. I'm gonna push this value here. For 1, I'm gonna say okay, you can give me 1, you can give me also 1, so I can actually double that up. I can make your 1 into 2. I'll multiply it by 2 plus my other descendant, whatever my other descendant is gonna give me. He'll say that okay, I can also give you 1, so I'm gonna double that up. 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus other descendant has given its value. Then my itself 1 value is there, that is u equals to v, so I'm gonna add this up. So this is nothing but 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 1, which is 5. So 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. I'm going to say that okay, I can make 5 here. Now this can make 5, this can make 5, this can make 1, this can make 1. But this can make 5, this is also is making 5. But I can make from these two descendants as well. So how many ways are there that I can make from simple paths from these? This is nothing but I'm gonna multiply this, whatever value is written by this, and whatever value is written by this. So 1 into 1, 1 into 1, whatever value is gonna come. Then I can double this up by adding this. So he can make 2, 3. So he, without considering 1 as the middle node, I can make 2, 3, a simple path. And I can actually double that up, so I can add 1 here. So simple path is not only 2, 3, but also becomes 1, 2, 3. So that I'm going to keep it aside. I can also make two valid paths. So this is 5 plus 2, so I'm going to return 7 as an output. So it is having 7 valid paths. So what are those 7 valid paths are? I'll just explain it once again. Which is 1 comma 1, which is another one is 2, then it is 3, then it is 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, okay, it's a bracket here, then 1 comma 2, then 1 comma 3, then I can make 2 comma 3, 1 2, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, then I can make 2 comma 3, and I can also make 1 comma 2 comma 3. So I think these are the only valid paths, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 1, 2 1 3. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So these are the 7 valid paths. So output is 7 is output. So this is my if you want me to show me, if you want me to show my code, I can show this in my next video. So just let me know if anyone can get me wrong with this logic. So I think this should work, but I don't know. I'm having an issue solving this, but that's it. So if you can come up with any kind of uh, test case that is not going to work in this scenario. Okay, I'd like to explain. This is my code. I like to explain this as well. So people were having doubt with this 1 2 2 3 2 4. So I'll just do that as well. Good. So 1 to 2, 1 to 2 is there. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 2 to 3, and 2 to 4. 2 to 3 and 2 to 4. So the logic that I've built is I'm going to return 1. I'm going to return 1. 2 is going to say, so this is my array. So this is my array of 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'm going to return 1. I'm going to push 1 here. Then I can make 1 1. And I'm going to say, okay, I can make 2 into 1. This is 2. 2 into 1, this is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So I can make double this up 2, double this up 2, plus my itself element, which is 1, which gives me 5. So I'm going to push 5 here. And I'm gonna have a sum variable. Inside the sum variable, I'm gonna add 1 into 1. This is all the elements that I can make using this as the intermediate part. So 2 3 4 3 4. So this is returning 1, this is returning 1. So 1 into 1, I can make all the valid parts from these two nodes into 2, considering this into 2. So I'm gonna store it on another variable 2, so I can make 2 from here. This is going to return its value, which is 5. This is returning 5. I can make uh, how many simple paths I can make? Double this up, 2 into 5 plus 1 itself is no, which is 11. So I can make 11. One is going to say I can make 11. Everything is finished. I'm going to return 11 plus the intermediate parts, which is 2. 7 plus 2, which gives me 13 as an answer. So I think this should have worked, but I don't know why it's not working in my case. Like I tried to submit my code, but it's not working. So I can optimize it, but I'm thinking that why it's not working in the first sample case itself. Not the first sample case, but okay, let's see why it's not working. Just let me know if anyone finds finds any kind of test case in which this is not going to work. That's it for from my side. If you have any kind of question regarding first, second, and third, I've actually solved them. So if you want me to put tutorial on that as well, I can help you with that. Thank you.